Okay, so I've been posting about things that Lily's learned already, and I had somebody send me a message asking for a video. So here it is. Come here, Lily. Lily, sit. Very nice. Lily, down. Good girl. Lil, sit. Stay. Good job. Okay. There it is. Thank you. Okay, so, had some people a little skeptical about how I always say that my dogs sit and wait before they're allowed to eat. So, I decided to videotape it and post it so that nobody thinks I'm a liar. So, my dogs, Foster, Merlot, and Nook and Asher, getting their dinner ready. They've already had all their meds. They all have to sit. And wait. 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 Waiting on you, Asher. Okay. So, when you tell me that my dogs don't wait to eat, now you know they do. Thanks for watching. Don't hang up yet. Because they also leave the kitchen when they're done. So if you can hang out just for 30 seconds when they're done, you'll see that too. And yes, they're all eating next to each other. You're done? Out. Thank you. Thank you. Is that Lily playing the ball?
Yeah.
That noise you're hearing would be Lily Pad kicking her bowl around because she's done. Did I tell you to get out? Get out. You're done? Get out. Don't test me, Merlot. Out. All the way. Your foot's in the kitchen. Thank you. Sit. You done? Go. Get out. Thank you. All the way. The thing goes when you turn around. Very nice. There you go. Thank you.